He owes Vahumi nothing. He owes her nothing. Vahumi, she is 30 years old now. She can take care of herself. She can take care of herself because you Palesa, she can't go broadcast after group broadcast, and she exposed the Somizi. All the times she was keeping quiet. Maybe there is a deep secret. You understand? Maybe they have a deep secret between Palesa and Somizi. You understand? Because now Somizi, he is responding to Palesa. You understand? He is responding to Palesa because Vahumi now, she is an adult. And as 30 years, guys, we can count, you have your own family. You understand? You have your own children, or 2 or 3 children at 30 years now. Guys, so means owes Vahumi nothing. Owes her nothing, guys. We don't want to lie because at 30 years you can have your own family. You understand? You can take care of yourself. Let's say at 25, age of 25, 23, 23, 24, 25, you can take care of yourself. Guys, we can't talk with social media about the person who have 30 years. Guys, 30 years, you are not a kid. Because the Palestine now, why all the times she was so quiet when she wants help to Somizi. You understand? But Wumi now, she is an adult, guys. She's supposed to have her own family. You can't talk about a person who is 30 years. 30 years, guys. Guys, the past is the past. It happened, guys. It happens. It's life. The past is the past. They have to deal with the present now because Vaomi, she is an adult.